So guys, welcome back to Build the Boat for Treasure. And yeah, I haven't played this game for a while, but we are back. How about we start off by loading our tank. This was our tank.
Okay.
It looked pretty good. I have even more cannons now, harpoon guns. I don't have any more gold. The 4th of July is gone and a lot happened. So let's get the stuff back. Just gonna keep this there. Put one in the front so somebody can come up. Okay. I'm just gonna place this random block here, and that's pretty much it. Our triple door setup is pretty good, I know. The first door, second door, I should paint them all white, because for what door white looks good. Triple door. We have the Z plushie here, and our ceilings packed. Let me just add some more stuff. I'm just gonna remove that block. Take our properties here. So that, and anchor them. And that's pretty good. Also, we have this top thingy that we can use. So I figured that we could put some artillery on top of here. How about we put a harpoon gun up here? Hey, somebody wants to come here. Let him come. I'm gonna remove this thing. And I'm gonna place it. Where's the guy? Let me just jump. Where am I? I'm stuck. Kinda. Hello? Whoever came just now can come back. I guess he's gone. And I wanna put those water I just took up over here. It's pretty good. Now let me go back here. And we have these extra cannons. And I'm gonna just place them up here. It looks pretty good. And that should be it. Let's save our boat. And get in. And launch it. I actually just like that jet booster we have up there. Looks good. Kinda lie. Okay. Let's sit up here. All aboard! Captain! Oh no! What's happening? What was happening? He was flipping. I can flip us back over. Okay. This. No, my jet! No! I shouldn't keep the jet up there. This is a failed redesign time. We need to redesign this ship. Load up tank again. Inside the prison, we are gonna remove that. Go inside our house, or just look through there. Remove the middle chair. For safety, we are just gonna keep two chairs up here. Also, what about the turbine? Where's my jet turbine? Okay. Keep it right up there. Hey! This is now the tank. Save the boat. And I could have put something in the front. I have a lot of cannons. I'll put it in the front. Now I'm removing this thing. I don't want it to blow up. Where are the harpoon guns and the cannons and all? They're there. We're gonna put one harpoon gun there. Another one there. Another one up here. I also want to put a chair up the front. Just in case. You want to make a row of chairs. Another chair and another. Also on the other side. I don't want to die when I come and teleport. Just in case. And we are gonna put our flagpole. Where should I keep it? How about there? Our flag routine. This thing looks like staircase. A staircase. And we can also make a ramp at the front. I would like a ramp. I'm ramping up. Flip. Flip it again. And I want to keep it in the front. Look at that. That's pretty good. I'm gonna take our scaling tool. We can't scale this. Are you serious? It's not much work. So we can keep it ourselves. Pretty easy. And I also got this in the ramp first. So yeah. It looks pretty good. Now we have a ramp. We are gonna save this. This is the final tank. Okay, now let's get it. I'm very tired. You're gonna sit with the Z plushie?
I came from vacation.
Yes, I know.
Yep. Didn't
Look at this
Did
thing.
you tell that everyone that I went to vacation? Bruh, why?
Ouch!
Why didn't
Stop yelling!
Why did you not tell them?
Okay. This is the absolute mega duper.
I have to go. I need to get some rest, okay? Yeah, that vacation was so nice.
Oh, finally we're not flipping. And I can't turn.
Okay, I'm going.
Okay. Look how powerful.
Good night.
Okay, see ya. These motors are too powerful. Last time we tried to use the jets and we almost died. Trust us. This one thing can lift us up. How? Jets are just jet crystals are too overpowered in this game. We can just fly with one. She's so laggy. The tuner blocks. Chill out. Chill out, boat. There's one thruster, one white thruster. We're just gonna flip ourselves back up. Fly! We're flying! This is okay, this is okay, this is okay. We can flip. If we want to fly or something, we have the thrusters. And the jet thrusters. I should just use the thrusters. Now what's happening? Right, look. These cannons are too hard to use. I'll never use the cannons on this thing. That's just me. I'll try to use it. These mega cannons can't even be used. Can you go inside? What just happened? Control this thing. I think I accidentally clicked the thruster. We're flying. You can control it. Oh, finally we're free. Not now, game. Why can't we turn? We can't turn. Why can't we turn? Boost it. Boost it. We'll jump off. Jump. Finally. What is happening? When I get in this chair, we just automatically. Yes, we can finally turn. Turn us to victory. Sky buggy. What is happening? What is happening? Can we flip us back? Flip us back. Yeah, 360 degree. turn. Okay. Almost. We almost did. Come on, why is this thing so hard? Why? We actually need to. But we fixed. Turn us up. Lift us up. Lift us up. Turn on everything. What is happening? I guess we need to restart it. Powder. Let's try that again. Somebody wants to jump in my team. They can come in, but I will be the pilot. All aboard! All aboard! Looking up the place.
Let him sit in. Sit. Is he hitting? Check.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Yes, he is. Launch the ship. They're moving at high speeds. Let me just change my graphics a bit. Okay. Should be enough. Let's turn us a bit. Then turn on the rocket booster. Good. Go up. Go up. A bit. What's happened? The controls are changing. Come on. Go up. Go up. Down. We're going smoothly above the rocks. Okay. We're turning a bit. We need to go up. So 360 degrees. No problem. We're all aboard. Crossing the right. Oh yeah. All aboard. Using the SMS boat, we shall be going. Look at my other boat. Still stuck. I want to take the boat. I want my boat back. My boat is stuck. And a harpoon. And a harpoon in my boat. Come here, harpoon. Now we are gonna go, friend. All aboard. Okay, we're gonna push the boat. Taking the boat aboard. Alright. What's happening? We're crashing down below. Now we have a shield. too laggy. My red plushie and me. And where's my shield? Turn on the shield, man. Oh yeah, it's working. Let me just move. Come on, fill the boat. Come on, let me fill the boat. Towards us. Towards. Towards us. It's too laggy, I can't see anything. Are you crumbling? What happened to me? Why? Nope. Not like this. Please, not like this. I can't even see anything. What's happening? Okay, we need to jump. Go through the portal. Jump and go through the portal. Ah! I died. You serious? That boat was dinky. My friend is going. Let me go and find my friend. I have a good way to get to my friend. It's really easy and simple. You put one of these. One of these. Where's my seat? That on. So that. And turn on the jet. Turn on the jet. Turn us. I don't know what I'm doing. I hope you are going to a destination. Yes, my friend is going. So what I can do is build that flyer again. I can load my flyer. I have a flyer. Load that. While that's loading up, we are just gonna go to it. That is. It's just my real simple flyer. Alright. It might be kinda stupid looking, but trust me, it will work. No! We're gonna go this way and turn on that. We're going. Yes. We are floating on midair. I don't know how we're floating in midair, but we are flying, baby! We are flying! I don't even know what this is. My friend is still alive. I'm my friendy. And stay right there. I'll be back. I'll be there in real quick. I'm gonna put one up in the beach. I'm gonna put another one. Okay. Now I'm gonna go back up here. I'm gonna take my lifting. I don't know what it is. Then I'm gonna take my seat I had. Kind of seat. Voilà. And I'm ready to go. Okay. And we can turn this thing. Look at the motor. Just stay there, friend. I'll be there to collect the gold with you. Why is it stuck? Don't be stuck. I need to get to my friend. We are going at 200 kilometers per hour. That's pretty flat. When we get there, just in time. I need to get to my friend right now. Oh my god, I'm running alive. I'm turning us, going up, and going down. Oh, my friend is gonna take the pressure. We need fast. We need speed. I should have done speed. No. I should use my flying glitch. Wait, can I stop jumping? I don't think I can get to my friend. I should have only put a 2. That's my friend. Anyway. I'm gonna keep 2. There is this. Like that. Then I'm gonna put 1, 2. Three of them here. Then I'm gonna put this one on top of these. There. And on top of it. Okay. Then I'm gonna put a pilot seat right up there. And that works. Then another one up here. And another one. This might not work. Let's keep that there. Yeah, that will work. Then 2 like that. Yeah, this should work. Yep. Come and sit. Okay, and then launch. This is our boat. Why are we stuck? My jet turbine is going. Look at that. Now we are gonna just turn ourselves. There it is. More jet turbine. We're gonna turn ourselves. Up to me. I'm going to lift this up. No, go. Go up. I'm captain. I'm captain. Let me control the plane. Stop the motor. Now we are gonna go this way. Captain me. Brah! Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye.